All right, guys, let's take a quick look at the markets today before I go to bed. Stock market up 900 points, NASDAQ down 4%. What have I been saying? Probably looking at a 20% stock market dump this year. Real estate, stocks, crypto. Crypto's in the bear market. And when you combine crypto being in a bear market with what's going to happen with stocks this year, you're going to see a real nasty 2022. Um, if you've been following the news, I think Amazon dumped like 14%. Apple's down. Basically, all tech. Netflix is down like 60%. Basically, Netflix is down to pre-pandemic levels. Basically, owning a tech stock right now is basically even more volatile than crypto, and that's saying a lot. So we are going to see a bloodbath. Yeah, we might see a relief rally in the next week or two, but my prediction 2022 between a 10 to 20% dump in the stock market, Bitcoin down to 25 to $30,000, maybe at the low $20,000. I don't think we're going to go any lower than that. And you're going to see a real estate market because interest rates are going up. Real estate market is going to crash. So let's take a quick look at the crypto market. Bitcoin holding out about 38,600. It was down to 37,000 a couple of days ago. Ethereum under 3,000. The altcoins are pretty much starting to take their big old fat dumps. Solana down to 94, which Solana is actually holding up pretty good. But if you look at XRP, it's almost down to in the 50-cent range, in the 59-cent range. Cardano pushing the 80-cent range. The next Bitcoin dump, when you see Bitcoin down to about $37,000, $36,000, you're going to see Cardano at about 70 cents, and that's a great time to buy Cardano. But when we do get that dump from Bitcoin down to about $30,000, $29,000, you're probably going to see Cardano at 50 cents. You're going to see Solana at about $60, maybe $70, XRP at 40 cents, Terra Luna back down to $50, and pick your coin, Avalanche down to $40. So there's definitely a lot more room to go. Now, what usually happens in these bear markets? I think what's going to happen is we're probably going to hover around $35,000 at some point, and then we're going to get a flash crash down to $29,000. We're going to get a major pump up from $29,000. That may be the bottom at that point. So you need to have your buy order set, and you need to be ready to buy your Cardano at 50 and 60 cents, Ethereum at $2,000, your BNB at $250. You have to be ready because if we get a flash crash, it happens very fast. It could happen when you're sleeping. So let's see what happens. Right now, Bitcoin's kind of holding at that 38. I think we will lose it, and I think we'll probably go down to 34, and then we'll probably shoot back up to 35, 36, and we'll hang out in that area. Then what's going to happen is the stock market will probably get a major dump. It'll dump like another 5% in a day, and that'll take Bitcoin right down to 29,000. I'm hoping when that happens, that's the bottom. That's going to flush out a lot of leverage. It's going to flush out a lot of longs. It's going to flush out a lot of these shit coins. And from there, you're probably going to see it just basically in a range between 29,000 and 45,000 for the next year. And then at that point, you're not going to hear about it on CNBC anymore. Nobody's going to be talking about crypto. All the YouTubers are going to be bearish. A lot of YouTubers aren't even going to come on anymore. If you notice the scam channel Crypto Banter, the morning sniper isn't even there anymore. He's pretty much having a nervous breakdown because that this is what happens to all the scammers in crypto and all the people who don't know what they're talking about. They pretty much have a nervous breakdown. They stop making videos. So basically, you'll see views down on videos on YouTube. People will stop making YouTube videos. They won't be talking about crypto on CNBC anymore. And then that's the bottom. And then probably next year or the year after, you'll see us shooting back up. But the good news is we're probably going to get that flush pretty soon down to $29,000 or at least $30,000. And that is your golden ticket. When you can get your Cardano for 40 or 50 cents and your Solana for $60 or $50 or whatever it is, Solana is going to be over $1,000 in 2024. Cardano is going to be $15, $10 to $15. You're going to be at a 20, 50x. Your metaverse coins that dump another 50, 60%, your Vulcan Forge, when it goes down to like $7 or $8 or $6, that's going to be, $50 to $100 in the bull run. So while it's boring, if you're smart, this is the most exciting time in crypto. All the dummies right now aren't excited. All the dummies have gone away. They're going back to eating their Twinkies. They're going back to basically crying in mommy's basement. They're basically going back to just being depressed. They're going to come back when you're selling. They're going to come back next year when Bitcoin's at $50,000 and $100,000 and Cardano's at $3 and $4. And you're going to sell what you just bought in the next few months to them. You're going to retire. You're going to buy a house with cash. They're going to buy the top, and then they're going to lose all their money. Folks, not everybody can win in this world. Not everybody can win in investing. There has to be losers. There has to be winners and losers. This is the time winners are made. The one thing I agree with BitBoy Crypto, who is usually wrong about everything, he basically said, if you're in crypto right now, you're probably one of the winners. And I agree with that, but there's still a lot more room to go down. So basically, if you're still in crypto, look around. Half those people are going to be gone in a couple months because they're about to pull the plug at any moment anyway. And whoever's left after that and whoever is buying, they're the winners. And hopefully it's you. I know it's going to be me. I already have a plan. I did it in 2017, 2020. I wish I went in. If I went in more, I'd be retired right now. I've already said this, and I'm going to do it this time. So just look for your cheap coins. Look for that stock market crash. Do not be in the stock market right now. I'd much rather be in crypto than the stock market. But the stock market's probably going to crash 20% this year. Don't buy any real estate because the real estate market's going to crash. Interest rates are going up. We've hit a top for real estate. My goal, everything's actually going to work out perfectly because we're going to go into a bull market in crypto 2023, 2024. At that point, real estate is going to be on the way down. So I'll be able to cash out of my crypto in 2024, buy real estate as it's dumped 30, 40%, and live happily ever after. Have a good weekend.